Versatile design. This trailer wiring adapter makes it easy to connect a mismatched vehicle socket and trailer plug, adapting your 6-way round connector with tail lights and center pin on your vehicle into a standard 7-way RV blade socket. Weather resistant. This trailer wiring harness adapter comes with a spring-loaded dust cover for the 7-pin wiring socket to protect the terminals from water, dirt and corrosion. The wiring harness is also well protected with the included slit loom sleeve. Standard connection. This trailer hitch wiring adapter plugs into any standard 6-way round and can be used to connect the tail lights, brake lights, reverse lights, turn signals, trailer brakes and auxiliary power. No-SPLICE install. This 6-pin to 7-pin trailer adapter wiring comes ready to plug into your vehicle or trailer wiring with zero splicing required. Durable construction. For long-lasting use and a reliable connection, the housing of this trailer harness adapter is made from durable black plastic and die-cast metal. There are several different types of connectors used to supply power from a tow vehicle's electrical system to a trailer's wiring system. Some trailers only need the bare essentials, running lights, brake lights and turn signals, while others require a connection for reverse lights, electric brakes and auxiliary power. With connectors ranging from simple to complex, it may be the case that the connection between your vehicle and your trailer is not a perfect match. For example, your truck may be equipped with a 6-way round socket, but your trailer may have a 4-way flat plug. For this very common problem, CURT offers a quick and simple solution in the form of an electrical adapter. An adapter is an electrical device that allows a connection to be made between a mismatched trailer plug and vehicle socket. It easily plugs in your vehicle's electrical socket and usually requires no additional wiring. CURT offers an array of adapters to accommodate most types of plugs and sockets, including 4-way flat, 4-way round, 5-way flat, 6-way round, 7-way RV blades and more. This electrical adapter is designed to adapt a 6-way round vehicle socket with tail lights and center pin to fit a 7-way RV blade trailer plug. It features quality plastic construction and requires no splicing. Top reviews from the United States. Saved us from having to pay the dealer to rewire.